After graduating, we come to realize that there will be no more next weeks, no more lunch together with our classmates, no more street food after class, and no more moments of breaking down with them. Those late night conversations, laughter, and adventures, I'll always treasure them. Our time together feels like a dream, but the memories are real. You've been more than just a friend. You've been a confidant, a partner in crime, and a constant source of support. Our bond is unbreakable, and I'm honored to have shared so many memories with you. Our silly jokes and ridiculous antics will forever be etched in my memory. As we go our separate ways, I'll hold onto the memories we made together. Our time together may be ending, but the impact you've had on my life will last forever. I'll miss our daily conversations, but I'm grateful for the memories and experiences we shared. You've shown me that even in the tough times, there's always hope and a way forward. Sa 2 years natong pagkakauban, naay nangawala, naay nangundang. Ba't kita nagpadayon hangtod ng kita maman sa atong kalampusan.
Kaluyang gid.